Let's begin now.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back again to our weekly B-Boy tutorial. Today I will teach you guys how to do the Criss Toprock tutorial. This is one of the most requested Toprock that you guys have been asking for, so you want it, now you got it, alright? But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this B-Boy channel, you will get notified. Great. Now without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Crisscross is mainly consists of 4 very basic steps, okay? But for the very first step is more to the preference side, because if you are right-handed like me, you want to make sure that your right leg is in the front first, okay? But if you are left-handed or more to the left-sided guy, then you want to make sure that your left leg is in the front. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're gonna use our right leg to the front, okay? Now, so the first step, it looks something like this. I'm gonna jump and I'll cross my leg. Now you can see my right leg is in the front of me and my left leg is on the back. Alright, so that's the first step. Now for the second step, we're gonna open up our leg again. So do something like this. For the third step, we're gonna do the crossing again, but this time I want to make sure that my left leg is in the front of my right leg. For the final step, we're just going to jump and open up our leg again. So all the way from the top with these 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now basically we already mastered the crisscross on the leg part. Now for the upper body part, everyone has their own teaching method and their own style when doing crisscross. Some people will say when your right leg is in the front, you want to make sure that your upper right side move to the right, okay? But my way is when your right leg is in the front, you want to make sure that you twist your upper body to the right. So that's same thing with your left leg. When your left leg is in the front, you want to twist your upper body to the left. Cool. Now let's try with the steps, and also we're gonna use our upper body as well. Jump. You can see I'm twisting my upper body to the right. So when I'm back to the normal or default positions, my upper body is facing in the middle. Switch again. Okay, left leg in the front, upper body gonna twist to the left side. It might look very basic and normal when you do it very slow, but when you use it with the music, you can see the hop, the flavor always coming out. Alright, but now we're gonna start doing it without any music. We're gonna use the step that I told you guys earlier, and then now we're gonna add in our upper body. Alright, now here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's begin now.
There you go, the crisscross tutorial. Like I said earlier in this video, you know, everyone have their own way of teaching it. You can find a lot of video about crisscross tutorial. They're teaching a lot of ways of doing it, especially when it comes to the upper body part. But if I were you guys, I will, you know, learn everything, every style, and then after master down all the basic and all the foundation part, from there I will try to find my own style. As long as you get the basic down first, the foundation down first, everything will be cool. Great, that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let this video give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.